Hello friends, on this video I'm going to show you whenever you are trying to rotate. Okay, there is this pad used to be this back button and home screen button used to be here or there, then here. Okay, so you want the fix button, right? So you want fix button, it should be here or it should be here. The fix button, how you can set it, right? So I'm going to tell you special settings how you can stop this rotating, okay, here and there, these buttons. So first of all friends, you have to move on setting, and when we are starting, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Let's move on setting. Then from here you can see scroll on the down, and you can see the setting of the display and brightness. So you have to move on display and brightness. When you move on display and brightness, from here you have to scroll on the down. First of all, I'm just showing you by just rotating the screen, and this button will be moved like this. Again, I just rotate the screen and this button used to be moved like this. Okay, it's used to move left, right and up, that sound. Okay, then again you have to scroll down, and here you can see the option of the auto rotate, and it has been activated. So first of all, just click on this icon, and here your auto rotate will be off. Okay, it will be set off. And I'm going to show you. See, I just rotated, but this icon is fixed right now. Okay, so you can fix these icons easily like this back button and home screen button. If you want to fix, then easily you can fix like this by just setting off this auto rotate. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.